Good evening, everyone. The airspace over Qatar, especially Doha, Qatar, and the entire UAE has been closed after Iran started counter strikes against US bases in the area. Now, you can just imagine the UAE as an international hub for flights from around the world, as well as Qatar. These countries would have not wanted to get involved, and any of the US air bases around the area, of which are many, are likely targets. And this is what the Iranian government said they would do, and they have now delivered on their promise. Now we need to see what US President Donald Trump does, how he responds. If there's going to be casualties and collateral damage, I think he is going to lose himself and absolutely go ballistic against Iran. And I don't know how that is going to affect China and Russia when this starts to take place. If you actually look at Iran as a country and you see all these US bases around it, I can understand how a country could feel threatened when the US has its military basically right around your borders. So I believe they want Iran as a country for the government to change, even although they don't say it because it's not politically correct and Trump's base did not support that. But how is this going to affect the rest of the world? How is this going to affect fuel prices and many other things? And this is why I say, make sure that you are not dependent on government for the things you need to survive: water, food, shelter, energy, and something to keep you sane. Those are the 5 things you need to survive. Not money, not gold, not silver, none of those things. Invest in the things you need to survive. Do it as fast and as soon as you can. Start small and build from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me in the comments what you think, how you feel about the situation. Like I say, I don't pick sides. I look at the greater picture and how the committee is fomenting a new world order, and this is happening before our eyes. We're seeing history in the making, and it's horrible to know that people are dying because of people in power wielding their proverbial swords, using people as cannon fodder. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos. And watch our past videos, the Moments in Time and Question Everything playlist, those series of videos, to get a better idea of my perspective and understanding with regards to history as well as the future. Till the next video.